So when's your inspection company open? So go to scheduler and you want to skip the settings part and go to availability. And here's your weekly availability for your company. So I'm open Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. But let's say I want to, take off early on a Friday. I'm just going to add a time block. So every Friday, our company starts at 9, but we end at 3. Get a little early start on the weekend. Now, when the calendar is automatically scheduling or my manager is scheduling jobs, we're going to get notified that we're going to try to end the day on Friday early. So you have full customization of when your company is open and closed, available and not available. And it's all integrated with the online scheduler and also all of the scheduling systems of the inspection software.